Snowstorm to blanket Rockies before eyeing Texas. A winter storm is forecast to dive southward across the Rocky Mountains early this week to produce a wide swath of several inches of snow along with teeth-chattering conditions. The storm began to push out of Canada on Monday, bringing snow to places like Calgary, Alberta, before reaching Billings and Missoula, Montana, and Rapid City, South Dakota. Heavy rains accompanied by strong winds hit the Bogor and surrounding areas. The rainstorm caused several trees to fall and the power went out. Heavy rain and strong winds began to flush the Bogor area, West Java, on Monday at 13:30. More than 3,500 people were rescued on Monday, but about 300 drivers remained on the Atiki-Odos motorway overnight. Parts of Athens were also hit by heavy power cuts, with grid operators working to restore electricity. Authorities say the storm, named Elpida, will persist until Wednesday. The Colorado fire near Big Sur in Monterey County, Palo Colorado Canyon, California has so far consumed 700 acres of land as is 35% contained, as of 4:25 on January. Activity at Ambrim volcano in Vanuatu has increased from the minor unrest state to the major unrest state on January 25, 2022.